So we put the lift up, we got the lift ready and put a tarp up and started working on that top, and you can see it's all ripped out after about 2 to 3 hours. And we really pulled out some, let me zoom back out here, some really crappy lumber, really water damaged. And that's, there was some that was good, but for the most part it all had to come out. And some was good enough that it came out very hard though. Plus it goes back into the wall, goes right into the wall a good 8 inches. So the one piece, this piece, ended up having to shear off these nails with my bar, reaching in and trying to find them, and then hammering away. That took a good half hour to get this little piece out. But we're good to go now. Let me zoom in. And quite a bit of damage on the spindles. They're, I guess it's because it's shade side. They didn't dry as fast, and the water just rotted the tops of some of them. So I'm going to definitely be doing some spindle work. I did pull one off. I have one as a sample here. Give you a close-up of it. So they're not overly complicated, and they're about 10 inches long. So I'm not going to I'll find some lumber that's this thick, cut a few, I'll have to count them up, maybe 4, and start making them. So I think it's time to clean up, and that might be all for tonight. I may do some moldings after that.